I'm on Team Eisenhower.
Team Jefferson. Hey Kay, we're on the same team. Team Jefferson.
Team Eisenhower. Who else is on Team Eisenhower?
I am. Here, Rich, I got all our stuff. Our iPad, our bag of coins, and all of our folders.
Let's get started then.
Okay, let's start with folder 1. Here's your worksheet. Alright, here we go.
Good afternoon, second graders. Today we're going to be reviewing coins and learning how to write the same amount 2 different ways. While working, remember to listen carefully and follow the arrows. You're going to be working with your group to answer all of the questions. At the end of each section, there will be a clue which will help you answer a funny riddle after you've gone through the lesson. If every group can get all the answers correct, the whole class will get a night of no math homework. Everything you need are in the colored folders. Remember to use the bag of coins if you need help. Work hard and good luck.
I'm gonna follow the arrow now.
All around, in a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the 4 of us by name. I'm a President Lincoln penny, a coin that is worth 1 cent. When you save a lot of us, together we can be well spent. I'm a shiny 5-cent nickel. President Jefferson is who you see. If you give someone 5 pennies, you'll get back 1 of me. I'm a very thin little dime with President Roosevelt's face. If you have 2 nickels or 10 pennies, then they can't take my place. I'm a shiny George Washington quarter, the largest coin of the 4. I equal 1 nickel and 2 dimes, worth 25 cents at the store. We jingle and we jangle, you see us all around, in a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the 4 of us by name.
Okay, let's try number 1.
Question 1. How would you show 50 cents using only quarters?
Well, if quarters are 25 cents each, I think we need 2 of those.
I think you're right. Let's write our
So,
answers down. Alright, let's try number 2.
Question 2. How would you show 50 cents using only dimes?
Well, if a dime is worth 10, I think we need 5 dimes. Do you agree?
I do. Okay, let's do number 3.
Question 3. How would you show 50 cents using only nickels?
Nickels are 5 cents, so I think we'll need 10 of them.
I think you're right. Alright, let's do number 4.
Question 4. How would you show 50 cents using only pennies?
Well, if 1 penny is worth 1, I think we need 50 pennies.
I think you're right.
Okay, let's check all of our answers.
Let's check our answers. You can make 50 cents with 2 quarters, 5 dimes, 10 nickels, or 50 pennies.
Cool, we got them all right.
Let's go for the bonus.
Okay.
Here's your first bonus question. Which coin has the greatest value? Your first clue are the words when, theirs. Remember to write your answer and your clue on your worksheet because you're going to need it for later.
I think the quarter has the greatest value.
I think so too. So make sure you write it. And we have to make sure we write our clue so we remember. It's when, theirs.
You ready to start folder 2?
Okay.
Here's your paper. Let's follow the instructions.
For this section, you are going to work with your group and use coins to show each amount that's given to you. Make sure you draw and label your coins and remember to put all of your answers on the worksheet.
All right, that sounds easy. Let's go to A.
Question A. Use coins to make 27 cents. Remember to draw your answer on your worksheet.
All right, how do you want to try this one, Kay?
We can start with a quarter. 25 cents.
If you want to start with that, then if we take 2 pennies, we get 27.
That works.
All right, let's put it on our paper.
Question B. Use coins to draw 51 cents. Remember to draw your answer on your worksheet.
All right, I think I want to start with some dimes. So what if I take 5 dimes and start with that? What should we do after that?
51 cents. You need 1 penny.
Here's your second.
All right, let's move on to C.
And question C. Use coins to draw 75 cents. Remember to draw your answer on your worksheet.
All right, I think this is an easy one. I think we can just do 3 quarters, and I think we're done with our questions.
Okay. Okay, let's check our answers.
All right.
Let's check our answers. Here's an example for how to draw 27 cents. We have 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies. For question B, we can use 2 quarters and 1 penny to show 51 cents. And for C, we can show 3 quarters to represent 75 cents. Now remember, if yours are a little different, that's okay. Check with your group to make sure that all of your coins equal the correct.
All right, well, we got the exact answer on C, but I think our other ones, I think they're still pretty good.
They still equal the same amount.
All right, let's go for the bonus round.
Here's your second bonus question. What coins can you use to make 22 cents? Your second clue is the word change. Remember to write your answer and the clue down on your worksheet because you're going to need it for later.
All right, 22 cents. How do you want to do that one?
Okay, 22 cents. We can use 2 nickels.
Well,
That
we're-
equals 10 cents.
Then we're going to need a dime.
And then 2 pennies.
All right, that
22
works.
cents.
All right, let's look at the instructions for folder 3.
For this section, you're going to use coins to show the amount in 2 different ways. Make sure you draw and label your coins and write all your answers on the worksheet.
Let's look at the example.
Here's an example of how to draw 42 cents 2 ways. The first way, you can use 4 dimes and 2 pennies. You can also make 42 cents by using 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies.
That doesn't look so hard. Let's try letter D.
Question Z. show 61 cents 2 different ways. Remember to label your coins in each of your drawings.
I think I'm gonna make 61 cents by using 2 quarters, which is 50 cents, a dime to make 60, and a penny to make 61. How are you gonna do it?
I'm going to use 5 dimes, 2 nickels, and a penny.
All right, let's draw them in our boxes.
Okay.
Question E. Use coins to show 36 cents 2 different ways. Remember to label all your coins in your drawing.
Well, to make 36 cents, I'm going to use a quarter, a nickel, and a penny.
But wait, don't we need 36 cents? So we need another 5 cents. 25, 30, 35, 36.
Oh, you're right.
So maybe another way we could do it was to do 3 dimes, and that's 30 cents. And then a nickel to make 35 cents, and a penny to make 36 cents. Good?
Sounds good.
Let's draw it.
Let's check our answers. One way to draw 61 cents is to use 6 dimes and 1 penny. Or you can use 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 1 penny. For question E, one way to make 36 cents is by using 3 dimes, a nickel, and 1 penny. Or you can use 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 1 penny. Remember, it's okay if yours aren't exactly like these. Check with your group members and recount your coins to make sure they equal the correct amount.
Well, we got 2 of them exactly right. The other 2 are a little different, but they still equal the right amount. Why don't we try the bonus now?
Here's your third bonus question. Why do you have to use at least 1 penny when showing 61 cents? Your third clue are the words in the. Remember to write your answer and the clue on your worksheet. You'll need it for later.
Well, we need a penny because 61 and a penny is the only way you can show 1. Right?
Yes, that is correct.
Our bonus words were in the, so make sure you write it down because we're going to need them.
Instructions for number 4.
Okay.
Now you're going to try these set of questions on your own. Use the coins to draw the amount in 2 different ways. Make sure you draw and label your coins on the worksheet. When you're finished, check with your group members to see if you got the same answer.
Alright, this doesn't look too bad. Let's try F. Maybe.
Question F. Use coins to show 2 different ways to make 55 cents.
How I would make 55 cents is with 2 quarters and a nickel.
Well, I would make 55 cents with 4 dimes, 2 nickels, and that's 50 cents. And then use 5 pennies for 5 cents. Let's write it on our paper.
Let's go on to G.
Question G. Use coins to show 2 different ways to make 90 cents.
Well, to make 90 cents, I would use 3 quarters to make 75. Then I would do a nickel, it's 80, another nickel is 85, and another nickel is 90. How would you do it?
Well, if a dime is 10 cents, I'll just grab 9 dimes.
That's a good idea. I'm gonna write these down on my paper.
Question H. Use coins to show 2 different ways to make 64 cents.
Alright, well, if I'm gonna make 64 cents, I would use 2 quarters, that's 50 cents, then a dime to make 60, and 4 pennies to make 64 cents. How would you make 64 cents?
I would use 3 dimes, that's 30 cents, with 6 nickels, makes it 60. Another 4 pennies for 64.
I'm gonna draw it on my paper now. Okay, let's check our answers.
For this section, I'm not going to give you the answers. Check with your group members to see if you all have the same drawings, and your answers will be checked later.
Well, let's go to the bonus.
Here's your 4th and final bonus question. Teresa has 41 cents, but she has no dimes. Draw coins to show what coins she might have. And your 4th clue is the word weather. Make sure you write down your answer and the clue on your worksheet because you're going to need it for later.
Well, to make 41 cents and no dimes, how about we start with a quarter? And that's 25 cents. So then if we count by 5, since we can't count by tens, we can do 25, 30, 35, 40, and then we just need 1 penny to make 41. I guess I'm gonna write that on my paper. And I also wrote my clue, which was the word weather.
Alright, let's start the last folder. Let's go to the instructions.
For this last section, you're also going to be working on your own. Make sure you answer all 3 questions, you draw and label all of your coins, and you put all of your answers on your worksheet.
Alright, let's try question 1.
Question 1. Lee buys a pen for 50 cents. Draw coins to show 2 different ways to pay 50 cents. Make sure you draw your coins on your worksheet.
Alright, I'm gonna draw mine and you're gonna draw yours. Alright, I'm ready to go to question 2. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Question 2. Delia used 4 coins to buy a book for 40 cents. Draw coins to show 2 ways to pay 40 cents using only 4 coins. Make sure you draw your answer on your worksheet.
Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm ready for question 3. Are you?
Yep, so am I.
Which group of coins has a total amount of 30 cents? Is it A, 6 dimes, B, 1 quarter and 1 nickel, C, 2 nickels and 2 dimes, D, 3 nickels and 5 pennies? Hint, there's more than one answer. Make sure you circle your answers on your worksheet.
Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm ready to check our answers.
Alright, let's go.
Let's check our answers. Since question 1 and question 2 can have different answers but still be correct, they will be checked by a teacher when you're all done. The answer to question 3 is B and C. If you got this right, put a check next to your answers.
Alright, I'm ready to do the last one.
Alrighty.
Congratulations, second graders, you finished the lesson. Make sure you answer the riddle at the bottom of your last worksheet and hand all of your worksheets in to your teachers so we can see if the whole class gets a night with no math homework.
Alright, I'm gonna go check my other worksheets. Let's see, my first section was when there's, and then the second one is change, and the third one is in the, and then the last one is what? When does it rain money? When there's change in the weather. Huh, that's so funny.